Oh my gosh, look how
Look at
beautiful that is. I mean, it's a masterpiece, man. I'm really proud of you for this.
We're gonna cut it up. We're gonna slam that sucker, man. It's gonna be so good, dude. I'm Chef Derek St. Romain. I'm a food fanatic, a family man, and a food truckster, and a proud Ingles Table All-Star. What I love about all the Ingles Table is how so many different personalities and styles can come together like a good old Creole gumbo. And now, that recipe is about to get even better. We're taking the show on the road and visiting some of the best food organizations in the Southeast. This is Ingles Table on Tour. So today, we're going to visit a group that is really near and dear to my heart. We're headed to Asheville, North Carolina to do a little outdoor cooking with Backyard BoPro. I'm meeting up with a really good buddy of mine, Joe Lasher Sr., to grill up some fantastic wild game and teach you guys about this awesome group of people. Joe Lasher, man, I made it, brother. How you doing?
So good to see you, man.
Yes,
I think the
sir.
last time I saw you were here on Crest Mountain for one of our big game dinners.
Yes, indeed. So first of all, tell us where we're at and what this place is.
Well, you're here in Asheville, North Carolina at the Crest Center and Pavilion. It's one of my special event venues. So outside of running the nonprofit, that's what I do, is run events and catering in Asheville. We host a lot of events here, but one you're most familiar with is when we're raising a lot of money for our nonprofit, our Backyard BoPro, in the wintertime. So,
that's right, and it's such a great event, man. The food is always excellent,
man.
And the surroundings are just incredible.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
So tell me a little bit about Backyard BoPro and what the mission is. What is it we really do?
Right, well, you know, you and I have been friends and involved with this a long time, so I know you're a big advocate, and we're proud to have Ingles involved as well now.
Yes.
Backyard BoPro started in 2012 as an organization that was basically set to build social bridges in communities across the state and really across the country to bring non-hunting communities together with hunting communities, and then they work together to support local food relief efforts. And bringing that back to the community, I mean, it makes my heart just absolutely full. I mean, even in your Ingles Table video, you're doing a lot of locally harvesting.
That's right.
It's that local movement has really helped us in what we're trying to do. For our organization, as it grows across the country, we also teach our members and our people that are supporting it to do the same type of thing. Now, they may not have access to a beautiful venue like this, but they do have access to caring people and locations in their community where they can get together and raise a few funds. And then we take those funds back to not only set up educational programs where we can teach people about the organization, but also in supplementing deer processing fees and paying for that meat to be processed.
So how does Ingles really tie into Backyard BoPro?
You know, I don't know if people really realize this about Ingles, but they are involved deeply in communities all across their region.
Yes.
Ingles is helping us expose our organization to thousands and thousands of people that otherwise wouldn't hear about us. So
I really think it's a testament to the work we've done already, to have an Ingles company like that really support us. It's huge for me.
I'm telling you, you would be blown away if you knew the things that they did behind the scenes that you didn't even know in communities across the country.
All right, so you know me, Mr. Cajun Chef. Man, I got a couple of venison loins over here ready for the grill. Some hot, spicy venison po' boys, baby. Let's go eat.
Let's do it. All right,
let's do it.
Let's go. Oh my goodness, Venison Tenderloin Po Boy. I'm so excited.
Yes, sir. Look at that, man. Coolest thing about this recipe, if you don't have venison, go to your local Ingles, man. Pork loin, beef loin, chicken. A po' boy can be any protein you want.
Right.
We're just blessed. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tenderloin, we're gonna pour this char crust all the way over it, man. You can make sure it's coated, top, bottom, sides, everywhere nice and thick.
Yeah, and you trim that out pretty good. Is there any kind of olive oil or anything on there?
Nothing,
Is it just
man.
the natural, just the meat?
Natural juices, and that's it, and just a
awesome.
crust. What it's gonna do is when it cooks, it's gonna get crunchy.
Crunchy on the outside, but
oh, that tender venison on the inside.
That's it.
We're gonna make some slaw in a second, and then we're gonna build us a Cajun po' boy.
Cajun, you are the raging Cajun.
Let's do it. Let's get this on the grill, man.
All right, man. Oh my gosh, that looks good. And now, tell me about this.
All right, so we're gonna make a little Cajun fire slaw. All right, so I'm gonna take the normal Cajun heat and I'm gonna bump it up quite a bit, all right? I already got my prep done from Ingles. They already shredded all of our cabbage for us. It's got a little carrot, a little red cabbage in there, and now we're gonna bump it up, okay?
All right.
So we got some red bell pepper. What good Cajun doesn't have some red bell pepper?
All right.
We're gonna slice this, man, super, super thin. Throw that in on top. Red onion, that's perfect. Now, jalapeno peppers. And again, we're gonna take those seeds out, right? Because that's gonna make it bitter. We're gonna chop this up real thin.
You say bitter, but also heat, right?
It'll add a lot of heat to it too. But if you bite into one of those seeds, man, it's just not, it's not pleasant, you know?
You're killing me, man.
Look at this. Here's the Cajun, baby. Zatarain's Creole seasoning, brother. Watch this. We're gonna nail that. We got some apple cider vinegar.
Alrighty.
We're gonna do equal parts apple cider vinegar and red wine vinegar.
Oh man, that
okay?
sounds good.
It's gonna pull all those flavors together. And we're gonna go check on them tenderloins, make sure they're cooking good, baby.
Ready to go.
Let's do it. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Venison tenderloin. Look at that, brother.
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Hey, listen, I've met you deer hunting and doing all that we do through Backyard Bow Pro. How did a Cajun like you end up in North Carolina?
Great story, man. I evacuated here because of Hurricane Katrina, and I quickly found myself standing in line at a food bank, and it changed my life forever, man. And you don't know this, but about a week later, after deer hunting a few times here, I saw Backyard Bow Pro online right when you first started it.
Oh my goodness.
And that's how this whole journey began.
The rest is history.
And look at the journey we're on right now, man.
This is an amazing trip, I'm telling you what.
We got this tenderloin cooked medium rare, and one of my favorite things in life, baby. Allons manger, we're gonna eat, baby, Cajun style. All right, so man, let's build this po' boy.
Yeah.
Let me make a little room here, okay?
All right.
Turn this around.
All right.
Slide that bread over for me.
Slide that right there.
Perfect. Gonna open that bread up, right? And this French bread came right out the oven. Robert at the local Ingles was tickled to death to give me this French bread, man. I told him I was from New Orleans and everything. He had a great day. So we got some horseradish sauce, right?
Oh yeah.
Got some green leaf lettuce. And now, look at this, man.
Oh man.
We're gonna throw that whole tenderloin on there.
Well, absolutely.
Cajun style, right? Look at that fire slaw in there, man. And let it fall off, it doesn't matter.
I mean, it's a masterpiece, man. I'm really proud of you for this.
We're gonna take that, we're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna slam that sucker, man. It's gonna be so good, dude. All right, Joe, I can't thank you enough, man, for having us out here. And look, y'all at home, I wanna thank you for joining us. To learn more about Backyard Bow Pro, please visit nohungrypeople.org and make sure to explore the rest of the website for more great stops on the tour. And now, it's time for me to hit the road. I'll see you next time right here at Ingles Table on Tour.